Everyone, I will solve this question that is asked in Ssc Je previous year. Here it is given a wire of 30 ohm resistance is stretched to double its original length and then cut into two equal parts. These two equal parts are connected in parallel with a battery that draws a current of 2 ampere. Determine the potential difference between the terminal of battery. We have to calculate the potential difference between the terminal of battery. It is given the resistance R1, it is given 30 ohm. It is stretched to double its original length. So we have to calculate the R2 value. So we can calculate from here. So L2 will be 2L1, and we know that the volume of the wire will remain constant. So area A2 will be A1 by 2. So we can find the value of resistance R2 value. R2 by R1 is equal to L2 by L1 into A1 by A2. So from this we can calculate the value of R2 because R1 is given, and we calculate all this value L1, L2, A2, A1. We will put the all value. We can find the value of resistance R2 here. R2 will be L2. We put 2 L1. L1 will cancel. Here we will get 2, and A2 we will put A1 by 2. So this 2 will come in the upper side into R1. R1 is given 30 ohm. So we can find the value of R2. It will come 4. R2 is equal to 4 into 30. That is 120. R2 we got R2 value is equal to 120 ohm. And in the question it is given that it is cut into two equal parts, and these two equal parts are connected in parallel with the battery. So we will divide this resistance into two values, 60 ohm and 60 ohm, and we connect these two resistance in parallel, and we will get R equivalent. R equivalent will be 60 in parallel with 60. So we will get 60 into 60 by 120. So we will get here 30 ohm. And we have to calculate potential difference across battery. V is equal to I into R equivalent. I, it is given 2 into 30, that is 60 volt. Option B is correct. You can solve more question that is asking Ssc Je PYQ. Determine the energy stored in 8 Henry inductor if the current through the inductor is 4 ampere. Here we will use the formula of energy stored through inductor, that is E is equal to half Li square. Li square, half L value is 8 into I is 4. 4 into 4. 16 into 2. 16 into 2. No, here it will come 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 64 joule. It is very simple. Next, which one of the following statement is true about the Ohm's law? First statement is Ohm's law is applicable to the diode. Second is Ohm's law is not applicable to diode. Third statement is Ohm's law is applicable to voltage regulator. Third is Ohm's law is applicable to transistor. This statement is true. We know that Ohm's law is only applicable for linear circuit, and we know that diode is non-linear circuit, so it is not applicable for diode. So this statement is true. Ohm's law is not applicable to diode. Next question is what will be the potential difference between the end of resistor 10 ohm when the current through the resistor is 3.5 ampere? It is very simple. We calculate V is equal to IR. V is equal to I into R. I value is given 3.5 into R value is 10. So it will come 35 volt. Option A is correct. If you have more question, I can solve. I haven't taken.